Bitcoin breaks above 84,000. Here's what you need to know if you feel like you missed out or if you're considering selling at high prices. I'm Kiana Danial, a former engineer. Wrote the first edition of this book in 2018. My total crypto portfolio is around $2 million. Back in 2021, I said this about Bitcoin.
A lot of folks are making pretty strong projections about where Bitcoin goes, including $100,000 in 5 years. Is this your prediction?
This is a prediction of so many Bitcoin activists, including myself. The reason mainly comes down to supply and demand, because there's ever only going to be 21 million Bitcoins. 4 million of it is already being lost by people who lost their wallet. Just because of supply and demand, this is pure math. We could see it going higher and higher. From a price action point of view as well, Bitcoin does have a tendency to add zeros to its price. 2011, it was $10. It took about 4 years to go from 1,000 to 10,000 in 2017. So doubling that time frame for maturation could get priced towards $100,000.
What does this mean for you today? If you're considering buying Bitcoin simply because you're seeing the hype, don't. Investing in any asset involves risk, and crypto in particular is extremely volatile and needs you to have a solid understanding of its fundamentals so you can manage your emotions when it's inevitably going to pull back again. It always has, it always will. For me, Bitcoin alongside other crypto assets that I've been holding on in my portfolio are a tool for diversification. When I first started investing in crypto, it had an inverse correlation to the stock market. This means when the stock market went up, Bitcoin went down and vice versa. Now that crypto has become mainstream, it's developing an increasingly positive correlation to the rest of the market. So inverse asset allocation is out the window. That being said, I will continue holding on to my Bitcoin for a very long time. Here's why. I was born and raised in Iran in a minority family. Before the 1979 Iranian Revolution, when the Iranian people voted in someone who promised change but turned out to be a dictator, my dad was a successful business owner. He had a whole bunch of money that he kept in Iranian accounts. Once the Islamic regime took over, they started cracking down on minorities like us. They froze all of my dad's accounts and seized all of his assets. They could do this because these accounts were centralized. The reason I invested in Bitcoin is because it's decentralized. Even though it recently seems to have become politicized, it's the only truly decentralized asset that you can ever own. This means that as long as you keep your coin in a hard wallet like these and hide it in a safe place, no centralized government body can seize it. Other crypto assets like Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin are not truly decentralized, but some of them do make for great diversification, especially the ones that pay you free money called staking rewards just for holding them. Investing in these kind of cryptocurrencies is kind of like investing in any other financial asset, but obviously the fundamentals are different. So is now a good time to buy Bitcoin, or should you sell? Investing is highly personal and you should not invest without knowing your exact risk tolerance. The only time to sell an asset is if you have a better investment opportunity that can justify the capital gain taxes. If you're looking to buy, these are the potential prices Bitcoin could drop back to. But you need to make peace with the risk of missing out if you wait and a total collapse if you buy at current high prices. If you want to learn how to recession-proof your finances and secure your future, join me at my live virtual event this weekend. Comment live and I'll send you the link. And if you want to learn my latest strategies, don't forget to like and follow.